A bay of San Jajano. I don't know how to say it. As you can see, we're all covered up. It's pretty cold outside. It's pretty cold. It's I think 6 degrees, but there's a lot of wind, so the breeze makes it much more chillier. But it is a nice location. I'm gonna show you now. What are you doing?
Putting the camera
for the Instagram. So if you want to see them, go on the Insta page.
Diary around the world.
Okay, we just ate. Our belly is pretty full. Now we're climbing up to go see a castle on top of the restaurant. You see like this? Right there, we're going there.